Good morning. I'm Jericho Nico.
I'm Derek Takeda.
And this is the Burton Puma News. We want to start off the new year with a fresh start and some positivity.
We have a lot to cover in this episode, so let's get started. In our first story, Brandon finds out what people have for their New Year's resolutions. Let's check it out.
This semester was a struggle because of all the stress that came with college applications and whatnot.
Last semester I did pretty cool. My grades wasn't all that, but yeah, I still passed my classes.
You know, my previous semester I was not doing the best. You know, I was not coming to school a lot and I was not attending my classes.
And my goals for this semester is to stay on track.
Oh, I changed my classes so that I can get better grades and so I can make up most of my night school classes.
Try to go to class more often and be a scholar.
Tell me, Narek, do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Yeah, I want to stay loyal to school, sports.
Wow, that's a lot to balance in your hand, bro.
Well, I'm about to push through and, got just change my ways all 2K19.
You got it. I believe in you.
Thanks.
Andrew also went around asking folks what goals they set for 2019. Here's a story.
What are your goals for 2019?
You know, stop procrastinating, get better grades, all that.
How are you gonna stop procrastinating?
You know, just make a plan for myself, plan out my week, and just be efficient with my time.
How do you think you're gonna improve on your homework?
Ask for help, take better notes, pay attention in class, all that.
Goals for 2019?
For 2019, my goals for 2019 is having a new start, so getting good grades in school, and then working hard during sports. When it comes to sports like volleyball, gotta work hard, get MVP, and gotta make my mama proud, go to college.
What college are you planning to go to?
I'm planning to get a UC Davis, but if not, it doesn't matter. Whatever life's take me, I go with the flow.
What do you do while you retire? Like, are you going somewhere far or like?
I pretty much like to retire with some money in pocket so I can do a lot of traveling with my kids, with my family. Yeah, I hope, but I'm not so sure.
To be honest, my 2019 goal is to actually pass in my classes. So graduation is around the corner, and so my mom and dad don't disown me.
This year's boat dance, man. Sea of Diamonds was a smashing success. Let's find out with a story from Akeisha.
You should go to boat because it's really fun. The dance floor is on a moving boat, so you're dancing on a boat. That's why it's called boat dance.
You have to go to boat dance. It's your last opportunity to go to boat dance. Also a really good experience. It's fun. It's your last year. All you get to experience.
You need to have fun and look at other places you probably never seen before. It's a special experience. Good way to be hype or to do something on a Saturday, I guess. So yeah, I think boat dance is a good opportunity for everyone to do. Yeah.
You dance, you have a good time, and you can really just let go of all the school, all the stress that you have from school, and just dance and have fun.
I highly encourage you to go to boat dance.
And it's your last year, live.
So, Valentine Day is coming up. Tell me, Narek, do you got a Valentine's date?
Sadly, at the moment, no, but, everything comes through last minute, and I always find a female to treat.
Well, wish the best for you, bro.
Man.
Here's a story about what everybody is doing to prepare for the special day. Take it away, Jessica.
Love is a connection.
Love to me is giving a part of yourself to your significant other.
Love is honesty, respect, and loyalty.
Love is kind. Love is patient. Love is everlasting.
Love is that feeling you feel for that one special person when you do anything for them. And it's pretty much family.
Love is putting someone else's needs before your own. and it's being selfless.
Love is feeling safe around the people you care about.
Love is when you like wake up in the morning and that's the only thing you think about, and like it should be like your top priority. If you love somebody or love something, you work really hard to make that something work. And I feel like that's what love is compromise. Both of you guys coming together to make one thing work.
So Jericho, I know you play a lot of sports, but I have to know, you play basketball?
Basketball? You know I got that shot, man.
Whatever.
But you know, I tried out for the basketball team, but then my grades were bad, so you know I couldn't play no more.
I feel it. You know, I was on the basketball team. You know, I was a starter once, but once I hurt my ankle, I'm out for the season, and that's that.
Well, wish you the best, bro.
Man, thanks.
Hello, I'm here today with Michael Tran, one of the stars from the basketball team. Tell me, Mike, how's the season going for you guys?
We're having a great season so far. We kind of have a slow start, but we're try to get playoffs.
All right. Speaking of playoffs, what's your guys' record? How many wins do you guys? How many more wins do you guys need to make it to playoffs?
Unfortunately, we gotta win all 7 games right now to make playoffs.
Wow, that sounds like a lot for the Burton basketball team. Thank you, Mike.
Yeah. My name is Andrew Newey, and I'm here with Derek Sakana. And you know what? We're gonna talk about basketball today. So tell me, how's the season going?
I feel like the season's going good. There's a little ups and downs, but like, you know, I feel like we're gonna push through and try to make the playoffs.
Alright, sounds great, So tell me what position you play.
You know, I play the 5. You know, the big man doing all the dirty work and the key.
Big man.
Yep.
Alright, tell me how the last game went.
My last game, we wasn't mentally prepared for that game. We could have easily won, but we just let them score too many points in the first quarter. So you know that really hit us bad.
I talk about the upcoming game. You guys are gonna win this game?
I hope so. I think we're gonna push through, and we're gonna follow through with coach's game plan and win.
Thank you for the interview.
So it's your senior year.
Senioritis.
We're finally here. What's going through your mind?
All the things that are going through my mind, I just want to graduate and go back to school.
That's the plan. We got to keep pushing through.
Puma News produces features to show the other side of students, maybe teachers too. Here's a story about a typical Burton senior. It's called A Day of Caring.
Jericho, I know you're scared of ghosts. You ain't scared of many things, but ghosts has to be on your list of what things you're scared of.
Ghosts? To me, ghosts ain't real, man.
So if one came out the wall and grabbed you by your neck, you not gonna be scared?
You know who I'll call?
Ghostbusters! Our last story is something that our next team has been doing a lot of research on.
For years, it's been a myth that there are ghosts within the walls of our school.
Let's find out what they discovered.
Welcome to Philip and Sally Burton High School. In my opinion, one of the greatest schools in America with a rad view. We have a bunch of resources that are there to ensure students are able to be the best that they can be. We have great classes like band and choir that help students showcase their amazing talent. We have an awesome staff on hand that use every second of their day to make sure students are safe and successful. But Burton has a sinister secret that involves ghosts. I'm Jasmine Lau.
And I'm Rashad Ali.
And this is
Burton High Ghoul. Our investigation began when a classmate of ours told us something alarming.
There's this really weird girl that I keep on seeing, but like she disappears all of a sudden.
At first, we didn't really believe him because, come on, he himself looks kind of sketchy. But then we found something crazy. This is a video one of our classmates took. I want you guys to look closely. Yup, there's a strange girl who I've never seen before and she was watching us. We decided to ask our fellow Burtonians if they've ever seen or heard of her, and sadly this is all we got. Ciao?
How is it doing?
Who's that?
Never seen her in my life.
Who's that? Never heard of her.
Who?
Okay, so.
Finally, we got a tip that our principal, Samuel Bass, may know something about her, and here's what he had to say.
So, one of the scariest stories that I know of here at Burton High School is the story that an old custodian from the 80s used to tell about a student named Orangira who was very active and she was very involved at Burton, and one day she just disappeared. And he told the story that she was down near the boilers and she got struck by lightning here on campus, and now she kind of disintegrated into the pipes, the heating pipes in all of the rooms. And so now anytime you hear the pipes banging or any kind of noises in any of the heating, it's Orangira.
What he told us was great news because he told us a name, and that was Orangira Jessica Lau.
We decided to look at the new footage and the old yearbook photos side by side, and we found out that Orangira Lau from 1984 is here in our 2019 class.
That video did not compel you to believing in ghosts or being scared of them?
I don't believe in nothing but God, bro.
You're tripping. If I seen a ghost right there, you know I'm running out that door. You ain't never see me again. But tune in next time as we follow up on that report.
Well, we've reached the end of the show. Thank you for tuning in.
And we're out.